I have a very personal story about veterinary charitable health care, and I'm well aware that many people criticize veterinary charitable health care. In a way, it's not illogical to think, well, if you can't afford care, you shouldn't have a pet. But I am going to implore every single person who is watching this video or listening to this video to please listen to every single word I am about to say, because veterinary charitable health care is not what you think. I'd like you to take a moment to imagine the face of veterinary charitable health care and the story that brought that person there. Because without knowing a little bit, I'm pretty sure none of you would have guessed me. But I am in fact one of the many faces of veterinary charitable health care. My story happened about 15 years ago when life happened in the weirdest, strangest, most unforeseeable way, and I found myself with 3 small children, a beautiful German Shepherd, and no money. When Juno, our German Shepherd, was hit by a car at the age of 4, I rushed her to the veterinary clinic and I sobbed. It's so hard unless you've been in that position to know the guilt and, for me personally, that level of shame, knowing your animal who means the world to you needs your help, and in that moment you don't have the money to care for them. I didn't even have enough money to cover a consultation fee, but she needed help, she needed it now. I had to try everything I could. Veterinary charitable care funds saved her life that day. I cannot begin to put into words what that meant to me, what it meant to my children, of course what it meant to my dog, and to this day I am eternally grateful to the person or people who were behind those funds because it changed our life. The best thing now is I get to pay it forward by working here at the AVMF, and I see charitable care grants when they come in. My story is one of thousands. These are the other stories I see every single day. The loving and devoted pet owner who lost their job and is doing everything they can to care for their pet until they find a new one. The loving and devoted pet owner who has been diagnosed, or a member of the family has been diagnosed with an illness, but they are still trying to do everything they can to look after their pet. The loving and devoted pet owner who has a pet who has expensive or chronic long-term needs, and they have maxed out credit cards, and they have maxed out pet care cards. They have gone to family members to raise money because they are not giving up on this pet. Those are the owners and the hardship cases I see every single day. And if I can leave anyone with this, I'd like to leave you with 3 things. Please remember these. First of all, life happens. It happens to the best of us, the rest of us, each of us, all of us. Sometimes no matter how well we plan things, things come at us sideways. Secondly, there is no correlation between how much you love your pet and how much money you have. And thirdly, and perhaps most importantly, people who receive veterinary charitable care funds are receiving them because they have shown up at the veterinarian and they are trying to do the best that they can for their pet. So I know it's easy to criticize veterinary charitable health care, but I would ask everyone, please, whenever you think about it, really think about everything I've said today, because it is not what you think.